Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the Maps SDK and creating an API key. This is essential because the key links your app to Google services. Once done, restrict the key to your app's package name and SHA1 so others cannot misuse it. Then add the Google Play Services dependency to your app-level build. Gradle and sync. Make sure to request internet and access fine location permissions in Android Manifest XML so the map can load and show location data when the user grants permission. You now place a support map fragment or map view in your layout and implement on map-ready callback in your activity or fragment. This ensures you get a ready map object. Once on map ready, runs, configure UI settings, zoom controls, compass, and set up camera position using Camera Update Factory to center on coordinates. Add markers with marker options and handle runtime location permission requests so the map can show user location. Also, make sure to manage the map view lifecycle. When using it inside fragments, you finish by polishing camera animations, marker clustering, and user interactions, then build a signed APK or app bundle for testing and deployment. Once deployed, test on multiple real devices and monitor usage. Some features require billing to be enabled for higher quotas. If the map shows a gray grid or no tiles, check your API key restrictions, package name, and SHA1 fingerprint first, then confirm Android permissions were granted. For runtime crashes, consult Logcat and adjust ProGuard or API settings accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.